I've written the parts that make up mixture 1 and mixture 2, assuming the company uses only as much of each color or paint as necessary to fill the order. The ratio of the quantity of magenta paint to the quantity of ultramarine needs to fill this order is M to U. Okay, I get that. M to ultramarine. All right, so let's figure out how much magenta paint we need. We need magenta paint for mixture 1 and magenta for mixture 2. So mixture 1 is 1/3 M plus magenta, 1/2 magenta. So get a common denominator. It's going to be 6. And that's 2, 6 plus 3, 6. So that's 5, 6 magenta. Now let's do the same thing for ultramarine. 1/2 U. I think you could leave the variables off. I'm just putting the U in here just to keep up with which paint I'm dealing with. And 1/6 U. It's going to be 3/6 U plus 1/6 U. So that's 4/6 U. And we're trying to find magenta to ultramarine. So magenta is 5, 6 over 4, 6. You want to leave your M in there and U in there if you want to. That's a complex fraction. Multiply top by 6 and bottom by 6. Those 6's cancel. And you're left with 5M over 4U. So we want 5 for M. Is that why it's time? Yeah. And U, we want 4. So there's your 2 selections.